Okay, toast. This is the last one.
Those are specimens. Oh my God.
But mine comes with chocolate. A $10 paper.
I was wondering,
Oh, don't even start.
how is it you can drink a drink, but you can't food a food?
You're making me spit. It's a dangerous trip for us. We need an Uber.
Okay, listen. Did I tell you? I got an email the other day from my Australian friend. Did you know I even had an Australian friend?
You don't have any friends in Australia.
I do. It's a pen pal. And she told me that she had to take her final exam,
Cabernet Franc.
and she failed it.
Why?
And I said, "Did you redo it?"
What? I don't get it. You failed it. Did you redo it?
Did you redo it?
Redo it. I don't get it.
Did you redo? No.
What's redo mean?
It's an instrument in Australia. It's a didgeridoo.
Did you redo is it? A didgeridoo is called? Or is the instrument called redo?
Didgeridoo. It's called didgeridoo.
This is too long.
Did you know that? You learned something now today. Finish your specimen. Bye.